My name is Eleanor Robyn Olsen and I'm the founder of Robyn Skincare. So I launched the brand in November 2021, so it's still very young. And that was after 2 to 3 years of research and developing and creating the first range, which is called Limitless. When people ask me, why did I start the skincare range? And how did Robyn begin? The answer for me was really simple. I wanted to produce and create a skincare range that was truly natural, that was truly effective and without compromise. And when I say compromise, I mean that in the sense of it's effective, yet you don't have to use synthetic ingredients. You don't have to use products that contain parabens or artificial preservatives or PEGs. And I think there are a huge number of products on the market that still claim to be natural, and a lot of the ingredients within the formulas are natural. But then when you really look at the ingredients list, you'll see that a lot of the binding products like emulsifiers and preservatives are not natural. And for me, that spoils it because it degrades the product. So I wanted to create something that was 100%, from start to finish, that didn't include any nasties, nothing toxic, and nothing even controversial. I'm also a bit of a problem solver, and one of the things that had been on my mind for a while is the problems associated with retinol and retinol use. Now, everybody loves retinol, and I can understand why. It's effective. However, it's not for everyone, and there are a number of restrictions with using retinol. So you can't use it when you're pregnant, you can't use it during daylight hours because it's phototoxic, and if you have particularly sensitive skin, you're often advised not to use retinol. So I wanted to develop a skincare range that everyone can use, that gives them amazing results, just like retinol, but that you can use if you have sensitive skin, or you're pregnant, or in the summer months, or in daylight hours. And that's where the clinically proven active ingredient Cytinol A bakuchiol comes in. So the Limitless range, you can see a few of them above me here, is a 5-strong gender neutral range. And within the range, there is a facial serum, a cream, a cleansing oil, a facial oil, and a facial balm. And I think it's probably one of the most flexible, natural yet effective skincare ranges on the market, because there are a number of different delivery mechanisms that customers can use. So if you have your favorite serum, you don't have to push that to one side to buy the Robyn serum. You can buy the Limitless facial cream. If you have your favorite facial oil, you don't have to push that to one side. You can use the Robyn facial balm. So it was designed to be flexible for everybody. It's also suitable for all skin types. So a lot of people say, it can't possibly be suitable for all skin types. But when you're using non-comedogenic ingredients, and you're very careful with your actives, and you're very careful with your carrier oils, you can create ranges which are suitable for all skin types. And I mean, sensitive skin as well, skin whereby people have rosacea or acne, the range will work across the board. When I look at creating formulas, I don't just think about one key benefit for a product. So a lot of the products you see on the market, they might say they just reduce wrinkles, or they might reduce acne, or they may brighten under eyes or similar. And I tend not to look at formulas, and when I create them, I tend not to look at them in that way, and rather develop products which do a number of things at the same time, with a focus on general skin health. Now, in particular, when you're talking about retinol and any type of ingredient that accelerates skin cell turnover, the dryness and redness that you get from using that active ingredient is because the skin is temporarily turning over very quickly and it's shedding in effect. And as a result of that, you are damaging the skin barrier. So I like to, when developing products, I like to actually look at them as a whole and use ingredients that don't just reduce wrinkles and acne, but actually put back in the goodness at the same time. So nourish the skin at the same time, support the skin barrier at the same time, and also have high levels of antioxidants. So you're not just tackling one problem, but you're stopping premature aging going forward by using ingredients that are very rich in antioxidants that mop up all the free radicals and the damage that they cause.